I had 5 pupils.
The lizard is a very agile, nimble style.
Check this out, man.
This goes out to all my Brownsville titty grabbing, chain snatching motherfuckers. Public 20s after my shit. Mental reaper, verbal fist in this motherfucker about to set shit off right like this. Respect for the 9-7. Check it, check it. In your fiesta, verbal fist will be the big pappy. Pussy, get caught bleeding without your maxi. I'll make a mess, blowing shit up from out your chest. Rocking from noon to evening to sunset.
Upset to all crews that's undisputed, claiming your style is pure when it's diluted. When I'm booted, leaving brains wounded, mental reaper, verbal fist. Don't be caught snoozing, keep an eye out. Evasive action for those intruding, lumps and bruises.
Claiming that you Brooklyn hard. It seems I'm gonna have to start pulling green cards on all you frauds. Kick them lies to your broad, cause when I'm on the sweeper, your asses get floored.
Or catch a left and get hit, blow a death. Step closer to being gone with the wind. Disabled with the mic cable and a pen. Best to scatter to your rest of place and go get your men. I send
all you chump crews down beneath with slamming tracks that make you nod your head and grit your teeth. So do like the crack of your ass and split. PF repeated if they didn't catch it from the get.
I'll be damned if they ain't some shit. I'll be damned if they ain't some shit. I'll be damned if they ain't some shit. I'll be damned if they ain't some shit.
Some shit for EUI
and Bville. Get stopped and get tracks running in my force field. Cause when flow spill,
spin ass like the Ferris wheel for the fortune. Hot scorching, real to real.
You better pill, the spike bats getting dropped. Being applied to that soft spot on your knot.
I got the cock, get smashed to a pole. Unlock the vault, bring your heartbeat to a halt. Note for note,
we flow in and out the track like annihilators. Your crew get ate by the packs.
Fuck your stats, your golden axe on wax. Chopping off all MCs, thinking cats. Raps get splat.
1, 2, 3, get pinned on the mat. Bring it to a standstill like victims of carjack.
The mob blast, manufacture shit that fractures your brain waves, causing disaster. Capture your soul.
Exhale your last breath through your nose. Bullets hit like gang rape, they rip through your clothes.
Dispose those who oppose us. Blast the Cutlass, we magnifico, and you might last a week though. You out of here. Good riddance, don't finito.
I'll be damned if they ain't some shit. Right on your subconscious, I'll leave my shit still. I'll be damned if they ain't some shit. Right on your subconscious, I'll leave my shit still. I'll be damned if they ain't some shit. Right on your subconscious, I'll leave my shit still. I'll be damned if they ain't some shit. Right on your subconscious, I'll leave my shit.
I spark like a
blunts, tips, something cavi, making green like Mitch. Gift rap vocals dispatched with every attempt to have this game shook up. When Dre cook up, every thug look up. Grotty got me on tilt, eyes bloodshot, heavy built. Lay a nigga out like quilt, clear the guilt. I rock for rollers, from low riders to Henny toasters. Cut off dead weight to keep my formulas kosher. Accept no imitation, losing his stack. It's slimmest chances of Michael Jackson getting his black fan back. Reputation like a Tech 9, knock a Tech 9, knock the best, knock the best in the circle. 3 minutes circle time, 3 minutes red time. See the hand is faster than the eye can chase. Dre, be real. Soul assassins got potential activated. No illusion to have you caught up in the rapture. Executive decisions from the motherfucker.
I pull your string, I make it moves. I'm the master, causing you to do what you do. Puppet, I pull your string, it moves. I'm the master, causing you to do what you do. Puppet, I pull your string, I make it moves. I'm the master, causing you to do what you do. You want a puppet? I pull your string, I make it moves. I'm the master, causing you to do what you do. We're pulling strings, killing kings, cutting off pinky rings, seizing control of the whole game. I took a pull from the blunt, inhaled and blew the smoke from my lungs into the world of hip-hop. Civilians turn into soldiers by the millions. Assassins, we multiply by the masses. Masters of the game. Every move you make through manipulation is the move I choose for you to take. You see what I want you to see, and you turn into whatever I want you to be. Whether it be enemy or ally, the aftermath of some soul assassins worldwide. From coast to coast, I got soldiers on post, injecting you with the high funk overdose. Straight in the hill, staying real. All you non-believing ass niggas, get your cap peeled.
My God, why hast thou forsaken me? My God, why hast thou forsaken me?
Get your cap peeled.
My God, why hast thou forsaken me?
Get your cap peeled.
My God, why hast thou forsaken me?
Get your cap peeled. Get your cap peeled.
Real life for your eyes, sound plus rhythm styles. Breeze Evahflowin, no doubt, what you speak.
My God, why hast thou forsaken me? My God, why hast thou forsaken me? My God, why hast thou forsaken me? My God, why hast thou forsaken me?
To hell with the preacher man, that's what the to hell with the preacher man, that's what the to hell with the preacher man, that's what the one said who run dead streets. The plan, defeat the mind and purpose of a gram. Sonny seen a pound plus, various visions of lust, made a man into dust over small fusses. What he trusts ain't a damn thing, except the skills of the hands. Man king, ghetto fiddle, swelling the one-man arm rebellion, haunted by the blue ghost. Too close calls, now his balls bigger than boulders. Took a jig to the throat, a slug to the shoulder. The older, the colder he gets. The road to regret just bypassed by making fast work of witnesses. The lips are sealed in the battlefield. My man slithered like an eel, a real live shocker. What the deal? Chill that Malik Popper, you got him strung on a proper. Malik made it out, study how to play capper. Try to let you know, yo, my man seen his daddy, so mad he lost control. Yeah, you playing for a punk, but you be fail to understand. It be amazing how the punks be get bowled over fam. You was all up in your plan, laid back. Your man seen it coming, didn't say jack or pay back for scheming. Now you screaming. Seen the real demon when you caught lead. Vital shine cold red. Open up your lip and said,
My God, why hast thou forsaken me?
I got the Busta bus, yo, we make the shit wild hot. I got come on, complete, we make the shit wild hot. I got the Busta bus, yo, we make the shit wild hot. All y'all rude boys, lick a shot. I got the Busta bus, yo, we make the shit wild hot. I got come on, complete, we make the shit wild hot. I got the Busta bus, yo, we make the shit wild hot. All y'all rude boys, lick a shot. I keep it all I seeing, the MCing, human being, soon to be in your museum, in your coliseum. I'm MCing, punishing shit. Niggas with disagreeing. Say him, no, cause he move like the wind. Say him, no, cause he move like the wind. Say him, no, cause he move like the wind in flight. Counter attack like a Jedi Knight. If you go in to think about combat, General Patton, of this MC shit, you dick chiller. You just a private in the lower class. I be the upper echelon, Don Juan, when the mic's on. Chief abstraction, Ace Quasimodo. Fucking with me, you be finished like Photo. I'm sure to bust your shit like Bolo. Black Nation needs a team, fuck solo. I can see it in your eyes, the redness. When your ass starts to cry, it's redness. You can witness the style that I kick from the linguistics. But please come specific, dealing with the tribe, but you never can. My nigga Busta Rhymes about to get his man. And then we do this and we do that. It's the abstract with the new format. We do this and then we do that. It's the back, it's the Busta with the new format. The new format.
Bust your shit, start your win. Bust your shit, start your win. Bust your shit, start your win. Pipes and quickly break your L. Bust your shit, start your win. Pipes and quickly break your elbows. Put my foot into that floor. Feel the force like a racehorse or like a herd of buffalo. Tell me why you be acting so. Freak the Spanish flow like Julio. Let they rock and die hard. Freeze like Chili Willy the Eskimo. Vigilante like Steven Seagal. A Busta Desperado. You fucking with the all-time pro. Spot the zoom lens. Ain't no weak niggas from transistor radios. Mission impossible without exposed. Once I diagnose those who be creeping. Blow them off their tippy toes. Sorry fake nigga, that's how it goes. Sport the suede front bulletproof vests in case you complicate my nose. Handle situations pronto. Appearances got you all hearing this when I be doing cameos. Should be wild hot like Tabasco. Fuck the fool ass nigga trespassing. Caught up in my last soul. Stick a nigga bad like the last hole. Running up on motherfuckers late night. Jumping out the Astro. No. If you fight, no. If you fight, no. If you violate, I start to dictate just like Fidel Castro. Make you dreadlock your afro. And when I'm done, I ride off the theme music by my man D'Angelo. We make this shit wow.
I got the muscle bust, yo, we make this shit wow.
We got come on, complete, we make this shit wow. Oh, y'all rude boys, lick a shot.
I got the muscle bust, yo, we make this shit wow.
We got come on, complete, we make this shit wow.
I got the muscle bust, yo, we make this shit wow.
Oh, y'all rude boys, lick a shot. We got come on, complete, we make this shit wow.
I got the muscle bust, yo, I make this shit wow.
We got come on, complete, we make this shit wow. Oh, y'all rude boys, lick a shot.
Singing super fly. This live, we live, say what? Singing super fly. Singing super fly. This live, we live, say what? Singing super fly.
The screen say shoot it up, I think it booted out. Screen say shoot it up, I think it booted out. Screen say shoot it up, I think it booted out. Johnston, Ella Bronston, with no magic wand, like a bomb, no black like a black leaf, sweet she a walk. I put ha, John my rock, go no game style. Left I'm off for booth threats on a nickel plate, tracks get all over the stage. While we speak, Bronx ice, cross silver skies, alley parkways, beaming streets all over the stairways. Sheba, y'all, hula he seeker, Foxy Sheba, y'all, hula he seeker, Foxy Sheba, y'all, hula he seeker, Foxy Shakita, like the tequila, armor ready, drop the convincer, penny heat armor and Latin quarters due to La Bamba, flight of the Shogun, ejecting the parachute trooper. Black flames, masquerades, lead tapes in the dark with no heart, but came back to life when they heard the arc. We launched them from start, mark scars for these times, lies, spies through the spot, got diamonds on her China eyes, off the land, airborne, drawn on the sugar blast, lower mats, acquitted Academy Awards.
Yeah, banana splitting, Casanova Brown, spanking the leather with skimmer. Welcome to Jigger, Cashmere, looky here, velvet velour, mix them together. Two sisters, menage a trois, the cat's bar where I marinate, melting on ass. Hershey bar in the Sahara, scraping the walls and walking tall.
Say word, never ending high, singing super fly. Only if it's live, be live. Say word, never ending high, singing super fly. Only if it's live, be live. Say word, never ending high, singing super fly. Only if it's live, be live. Say word, never ending high, singing super fly. Only if it's live, be live.
Yeah. No doubt it's B.I.G Cuttin on the 1 and 2s. Live and direct from Medina, East New York. It's the Five Delis.
Mad money in VA, son. Trust Dutchmin. Mad money. Candy Rock. Mad money in VA, son. Trust Dutchmin. Mad money. Candy Rock. Mad money in VA, son. Trust Dutchmin. Mad money. Candy Rock. Tony Ruff. Up in the beat. Let's make moves.
It's time to relocate Richmond. My destination, shice niggas get their arms chopped off. You make me wanna grab the chrome, aim it at your dome, hit you with the C, no send your bitch ass home. Always screaming that, keep it real. How could you steal from your motherfucking man trying to reach a meal? What's the deal? Exotic shines like Phil without the feds chasing. Let's get this cheddar off these OT heads facing. Cats be lacing whips, stacking they chips. Crystal wild sips, tech nines with extra clips. I maintain kingpin with crooks in my camp. The fast life could be my last life, got me amped. I want to lamp in luxury living. All my loyal customers be open off the extra grams I'm giving. Quarter pounds of greyhounds dipped in axe. Shice individuals get their wigs pushed back to fat. Past that black goose, I put my trade deuce in. Put me on my feet, my nigga Jeff Brown is producing. Black Lexus, get the dough from here to Texas. Beige interior, who's the fake kid? And who's the fake kid in the inferior? My whole team, whole cream. Crystal is the Wallace in my palace in Dallas. Who's the phallus MC? With D.O.E. Niggas running up, trying to smoke me, to rope me like a lasso. King in this castle, don't need no hassle. 6-letter word fatigue, 6-letter word fatigue, 6-letter word fatigue down, ready to battle. Ready to battle, ready to battle.
Every road is even with shiesty individuals. I'm surrounded by criminals. Every road is even with shiesty individuals. I'm surrounded by criminals. Every road is even with shiesty individuals. I'm surrounded by criminals. Every road is even with shiesty individuals.
Let's hold it down, Kenny. It's time to take back the pennies so we can get nice and sip the Henny. It's Tony Ruffin and Kenny Rugged. We coming through with stick-up chicks that got the brick 62s. Waves, they pump through states, so fuck you. You think that the still won't pill? We come through with the strength of a man possessed, backed up to his ears. No sex for 10 years. I'm the squirrel trying to bag that nut. Like infections, I'm laying in your cuts, niggas. What? I stay cool when I rap for G. Billy D, money niggas, and my Pam Grier G's. We stick out like sore thumbs. Fashion plate niggas with guns, sling the drums with the huns. Get that dough, baby girl, it's your will. Diamonds and pearls, shrimp princes, the paupers, the New Yorker, nigga Baka like Big Pat. I slam more punks and block dunks. You might have the money, but it's power you lack. If your crew beat my team, bet your players get smacked off the map. You frontin' Willie, you ain't no gorilla monsoon. I can play your name in this tune. You's a wannabe thug, cause you sold the drug. And I wanna be Mac with a cellular jack. Chromed out next coupe, it got you soup. You got the size 12 boot, trying to steal my loot. I used to shoot at thieves and duck MCs. Ripley, can't believe I get down for cheese. I got Dutchmin vibe, unified, rugged and rough. Take your head of your gut.
Bright lights, big city, city of lights.
From the ghetto, from the city.
Bright lights, big city, city of lights.
From the ghetto, from the city.
Bright lights, big city, city of lights.
From the ghetto, from the city.
Bright lights, big city, city of lights.
From the ghetto, from the city.
Right.
From the city. From the city.
Bright lights, big city, city of lights.
From the ghetto, from the city.
Bright lights, big city, city of lights.
From the ghetto, from the city.
Bright lights, big city, city of light, light.
From the ghetto,
Scene, green, blocks with hot spots. Check the scene, green, blocks with hot. Check the scene, green, blocks with hot spots. Cash exchange hands, yo, time when the clock drop. Daylight to night, neighborhood stay bright. I slay mics and exit stage right. A brief summary, how does the summers be? Down south, Ralph kick rhyme like Roundhouse. In your face, Mike Miller, straight shot to killer. Boricua, drink medalla on the flyer. Till the sun drops, I'm heard like gunshots. This waxes, spinning like earth on its axis. Time elapses, promise death and taxes. Perfect my practice and challenge the whole atlas. On the other side, fives got dropping dimes like phones in 7-9 to stay home and not do time. It's up, but where there's cats is rats. Some get snatched, some snitch like some bright lights, big city, city of light, light.
From the ghetto, from the city.
Bright lights, big city, city of light, light.
From the ghetto, from the city.
Bright lights, big city, city of light, light.
From the ghetto, from the city.
Bright lights, big city, city of light, light.
From the ghetto, from the city.
Yo, out of the dark, into the light. Got my one in my right franchise. I love the street life, street type, street Go figure, who the top killer, bone chiller, rolling on you blown. Go with any, rock remain ready. Straight from the capillary, wild like the Serengeti. Soaked in Remy, deep down and white Betty. It's 2020 to anybody inside the belly. Love the sound of the street, corners where crews lie deep. Packing their heat for beat, rocking their beers to sleep. Stay anonymous, single set'll be clocking us, locking us. Night in my face, taunting and mocking us. But they can't topple us, last like the Acropolis. Powerule, true ladies of this metropolis. Leave you lifeless, cool, be all we priceless. Behind we drama from Montecito to Iceland. Bright lights, big city, city of light.
From the ghetto, from the city.
Bright lights, big city, city of light.
From the ghetto, from the city.
Bright lights, big city, city of light.
From the ghetto, from the city.
Bright lights, big city, city of light.
From the ghetto, from the city.
Now, number 2, he practiced the toad style. The toad style is immensely strong and immune to nearly any weapon. When it's properly used, it's almost invincible.
I know it's better when the rhythm works together with the beat in your soul. Did I ever tell you how you make me feel? Every night you're under control. So come on, Daddy, won't you take it away? I know I call your line every day. I'm dialing 555-0429 so that I can hear you say, hey, hey, baby boo, just tell me what I can play for you. Hey, you're right on time. You just
You're in the middle of a special remix by DJ Mister Cee.
Baby, every single day I call you. Baby, every single night. Alright now, alright. DJ, I know that you will remember this voice calling you. It's been a while, so how you been up?
Yo, it's the G.O.D. Fall Part 3, QBC, Zipline McCarthy. Heavy on the wrist, Q-Blink, my ice ring. Time we bring, yo, that's a small thing. It's the G.O.D. Fall Part 3, QBC, Zipline McCarthy. Heavy on the wrist, Q-Blink, my ice ring. Time we bring, yo, that.
Step into a world where there's no one left.
All of them awesome.
But the very best your MC can tell. Step into a world where hip-hop is new. Where MCs
Revolution. Yes, yes, y'all. You don't stop. KRS-One, rock on. Yes, y'all. You don't stop. KRS-One, rock on. I'm about to hit you with that traditional style of cold rocking, giving options for head knocking, non-stopping. Tip-topping lyrics be dropping, but styles can be forgotten. So we bring back the raw hip-hopping, just like the records and tapes you be copping. Cops some breakdancing, boogie popping and locking, tick-tocking, guaranteed to have you clocking. We only get better and only better we have gotten. This type of flow don't even think about stopping. Beware, the length of the rhyme flow can be shocking. All music lovers in the place right now that never understood the way the KRS got down. Yo, I'm strictly about skills and dope lyrical coasting, relying on talent, not marketing and promotion. If a dope lyrical flow is a must, you got to go with the name you can quickly trust. I'm not saying I'm number one, I'm sorry I lied. I'm number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Stop wasting your money on marketing schemes and pretty packages pushing dreams to the fiends. A dope MC is a dope MC, with or without a record deal, all can see. And that's who KRS be, son. I'm not the run of the mill, cause for the mill I don't run. Yes, y'all, you don't stop. KRS-One, rock on. Yes, y'all, you don't stop. KRS-One, rock on. All of them awesome.
making the party sound alike until I recite in black and white what's right. Let me take flight. My style is tight and good. Tight and good, commence it tight and good. Old styles I pass that, slow down or fast rap. All in your ass, crack cocaine, go blast that. Conjure out as that, hype my type of flashback. I publish like ASCAP lyrics for hand clap. No pass rapping, you tracking, talent lacking. MCs more worried about their financial backing. Steady packing the gap as if something's gonna happen, but it doesn't. They wind up shooting their cousin. They bugging. I appear everywhere and nowhere at once. I know my style is bumping, even though some people front. It's the god of rap, you heard of it. The one that rhymes toward the sky, giving airplanes mad turbulent. In rap tournaments, I reign permanent. Don't you think by now the #1 spot, I'm not concerned with it. The course of rap, I'm turning it back to that good old-fashioned way of getting cash money by earning it. No bogus hocus pocus, I bring back the focus. Skills, if you notice, my position is lotus. Now quote this, MCs are just hopeless. Thinking record sales make them the dopest. Yes, yes, y'all, you don't stop. KRS-One, rock on. Yes, yes, y'all, you don't stop. KRS-One, rock on.
You know how I'm living. Players never been my style. This time you're not forgiven, so don't try to change my mind. I know you want me. I know you want me there. I know you're thinking of me. It's my turn not to care. That's why I'm not feeling you. No matter what you do, no matter what you say, I'm leaving anyway. I'm not feeling you. No matter what
You're in the middle of a special remix by DJ Mister Cee.
say, I'm leaving anyway. Let go, no flipping now, my love. I need someone to hold me near. I need a man, don't try to find my love. I need someone to be right here. Yeah, no, no, no. I know you want me. I know you want me there. I know you're thinking of me. It's my turn not to care. So I'm not feeling you. No matter what you do, no matter what you say, I'm leaving anyway. I'm not feeling you. No matter what you do, no matter what you say, I'm leaving anyway.
Somebody stop me! I get your groove on, stop playing. I get your groove on, stop playing. And you work it, and you work it. I get your groove on, stop playing. Come on, go down, go down, go down, go down. Ow, go down. And if you can't get it up, get it out. And if you can't get it up, get it out. You don't freak to this, you don't freak at all. So go home and have some Geritol. Let's rock and roll until we're out of control. Now throw your hands in the air and wave them like you just don't care. And if you got on
clean underwear. Somebody say, oh yeah, oh yeah. Baseline.
Now work it, I see you, you go girl, I see you, and you go boy, I see you. Now work it, now work it. Come on.
Put your hand on your hip and let your backbone flip. The metal on the pedal, the heat in the beat. Cause the people in the back get knocked the whack whack. The people in the front, let's do the bump bump. The people on the side, hey, take a ride. The people in the middle, let me see you wiggle. Now all together now, on time y'all. Just look in the sky, look in the tree. What's my name? Starsky. What's my name? Starsky. Lucy B.
Throw your hands up, don't stop now. I throw your hands up, don't stop now. I keep it going, and don't stop now. I throw your hands up, don't stop.
Hey there, tough guy. You better keep those ears open, or I'm gonna fill them with my foot. You got it?
Come on. Sicker than your average. Papa twist cabbage off instinct. Niggas don't think shit stink. Pink Gators, my Detroit players. Tim's for my hooligans in Brooklyn. Dead right, if the head right, Biggie there, air night. Papa been smooth since days of under rules. Never lose, never choose to. Bruise, cruise, who? Do something to us. Talk goes through us. Girls want to us, wanna do us. Screw us, who us? Yeah, Papa and Pump. Close like Starsky and Hutch. Stick to clutch. Yeah, I squeeze 3 at your cherry M3. Bang every MC easily. Recently, niggas frontin' ain't saying nothing, so I just speak my peace. Keep my peace. Cubans with the Jesus peace. With my peace. Packing, asking who want it. You got it, nigga, flaunt it. That Brooklyn bullshit, we on it.
Biggie, 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 can't you see? Sometimes your words just hypnotize me. I just love your flashy ways. This is why they're broken, you're so fake. Biggie, 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 can't you see? Sometimes your words just hypnotize me. I just love your flashy ways.
I put O's in NY onto DKNY. Miami, DC, prefer Versace. All Philly hoes know it's Moschino. Every cutie with the booty, boy, the coochie. Now who's the real dookie? Meaning who's really the shit? The niggas ride dicks. Frank White push the 6 or the Lexus L.E.S. 4.5. Bulletproof glass tips if I want some ass. Gon' blast squeeze first, ask questions last. That's how most of these so-called gangsters pass. At last, a nigga rapping about blunts and broads, tits and bras, menage a trois, sex and expensive cars. And still leave you on the pavement. Condo paid for, no car payment. At my arraignment, note for the plaintiff. The daughter's tied up in the Brooklyn basement. Face it, not guilty. That's how I stay true. Richer than richer, so you niggas come and get me. Come on.
Biggie, 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 can't you see? Sometimes your words just hypnotize me. And I just love your flashy ways. Guess that's why they're broken, you're so fake. Biggie, 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 can't you see? Sometimes your words just hypnotize me. And I just love your flashy ways. Guess that's why they're broken, you're so fake.
I can fill you with real millionaire shit. That's cargo, my cargo. 160, swiftly. Wreck it by your new one. Your crew run, your crew run. I know you sick of this name brand nigga with flows. Girls say he's sweet like licorice. So get with this, nigga, it's easy. Girlfriend, here's a bitch. Call me round 10, come through, have sex on rough, that's Persian. Come up to your job, hit you while you're working. For certain, Papa freaking, not speaking. Leave that ass leaking like rapper demo. Tell them who, take their clothes off slowly. Kill them with the force like Obi. Dick black like Kobe, watch me roam like Romy. Lucky they don't owe me, where to say show me, homie.
Biggie, 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 can't you see? Sometimes your words just hypnotize me. And I just love your flashy ways. Guess that's why they're broken, you're so fake. Biggie, 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 can't you see? Sometimes your words just hypnotize me. And I just love your flashy ways. Guess that's why they're broken, you're so fake.
They don't know, son. They don't know. Well, I'ma let them know. You know? Yeah. Shit is real on the motherfucking hill, God. Times is hard, bitch, you blur, kid, I can't see far. Thinking will I be the next nigga deceased?
Over some bullshit beef, I pack heat. Son, it's 96 and I ain't going out like that. Never roll a dolo cause my crew got my back and it's a fact. Niggas don't know how to act till I cop back, react, leave them laying on their back. Sometimes I try to maintain and chill, stop my brain for thinking, restraint for grabbing my steel. I'm stressed out, trying to live right on the wrong route, thinking the ways to get loot a large amount. So I chill on the block, nigga respect mines. I get with the Mac and the motherfucking Tech 9s. So pack steel if you come through, front if you want to. Before you do so, let me warn you. We more infamous, crime shit, take it to the gap, fuck the rhyme shit. You reminded of what the 9 did, remanded. QBC, done left stranded. We cock cannons, punishing and backhanded.
In order to survive the game, know the game, hold your name, and let them niggas know
the way to win the war, attend the war, in the war, and let your hammer go.
In order to survive the game, know the game, hold your name, and let them niggas know
the way to win the war, attend the war, in the war, and let your hammer go.
Yo, I'll leave your whole body twisted when you get lifted, and police are half the fist to run ballistics on a biscuit. Another statistic. I tried to chill, but you insisted coming all in my district. I don't know why the fuck you risk it. I be one deep, walking the streets, packing the heat, bring the cow meat. Get lifted off your feet, leave you sleeping on the concrete. Get blown at home or whatever's on your own. Get too flown to your dome, blow chromosomes out your flesh and bones. Hitman for hire, who's the next one to expire? Suited up in black attire, hit you up with rapid fire. The stainless biscuit will leave your brain smoking, your whole frame broken and clothes soaking, head blown the fuck open. Try to step inside of my fort and get caught with the tray pound short and left on the sidewalk in New York. The decomposed blood flows, eye holes in your clothes, eyes closed, body be froze, posing for bitches with the rolls. Head to your toes, look like you got wetted with the hose. The road you chose got your brains drained through your nose, nigga. So who be committing crimes, dangerous minds, but to your spine, lay you down behind enemy lines when we cross it, and leave you leaking like a broken faucet. The underworld production family, Kiwi enforce it.
Yo, when shit get real, it ain't what you expected. Me and my kickos is known to get hectic.
Oh, yes, my legs are frail, so please go get a beer and we'll continue to listen.
Got time for me? Cause if you do, I'll take you on the moon, baby. Know what I'm saying? Revolution. Tonight.
Fresh out this bitch pussy, hair in the middle of the bomb dome. Super hole putting on a freak show inside the mini mansion. Have bitches dancing in the naked, bitch, you ain't ready. My dick is 2% head, 98% shaft heavy. Steadily long stroke shit. P stand for penetration while y'all polying. I'm in the back, digging her back, I shorty hollering. Candy girl, took a blast of this shit. I got her in the pretzel, pushing her legs back, she wet too. Perverted niggas do this type of shit all day. Sodomize, modernize them, up to my standards. 1996 bitches got ran through. 1997, cancel that hoe. She blessed the God well though. What son, you know what I'm saying? Nah, that go though. Caligula style, young love, model actress, superstar, porn star on a mattress, looking like Jada Pinkett. I stabbed it, the vultures grabbed it. Money no date, raped it, videotaped it. Handy camera record, the bitches born me. My dick went soft, young love, young love. Scrubbing that crotch with dub. Potpourri bitches get fucked in mouth clubs. So lady cops, secretarians, and librarian. Midtown high class hoes with pearl earrings. Fuck with two with you to life, vulture like me. Beat you over the head with G and drag it back to the cage. And let this Mobb nigga coach boo. Train that ass, put it on curfew. Hey young love, love. Hey young love, love.
Okay, so thanks for listening there, you screwball bastard.
Now, the third one, number 3, snake style, known for its incredible agility. Agility and speed.
We are not qualified to do anything with nothing. Therefore, this is more than just a little something, something. No time for faking jazz, cause ain't no future in your frontin'. You can ask Mister Cee, you can ask P.F. Cuttin, you can ask Evil Dee, or you can ask Tony Touchin'. You can ask DJ Premier, who be filling up the Dutchmin. 5 deadly venoms, we starting the bum rushin'. Snake style, I'm the man not to be trusted. Many misrepresent the art, it's disgusting. As a result, I'm in a position to start busting. Touch coming like stray bullets, so start ducking. It ain't what you know in the game is who you fucking. That's why me and my peeps form this conjunto, taking it back to the streets and to the puntos. Coming with that offbeat flow that's medio bruto, trying to knock some common sense into you putos. Man, you have no idea what's in my bulto. Keep stressing and you'll find out in a quick second. All in a suspensing. I got 50 more MCs coming soon, no question. Word, it's all locked up in the vault. Me and my compadres, we planning the assault. Putting all that straight weak shit to a halt. It's Tony Touch beats provided by Mr. Wall. Straight from Brooklyn, so you know I'm top billing. Understand my whole plan is God willing. 5 deadly venoms, the concept is ill, and the word on the streets is that we'll make a killing. The killing, the killing.
On behalf of my worldwide boot camp clique, I give a big up to the bricks and my niggas in North Click. Hold it down for your people. Word life, cause I get down for my people. Word life, check it still, peep the sequel, cause we coming for ya. The world is tripe, so watch the ones who run up on ya. I got a page the other day from my dog Big Side. Word on the streets is beef and he's wondering why. Showed up on the scene with B and the long 4-5. Gave me the heater and we hopped in the 4-wheel drive. Not for the worldwide tour, but for the art of war. And I'm about to make a masterpiece with the C4. Blowing up the spot. What? Who can't click coming blowing up the spot? Watch, cause Tech and Steel album 2's mad hot. Sizzle it, cut it sharp like the RZA wit. He be doing his thing. Now respect the Wu-Tang and my niggas M.O.P. Brownsville, the hometown where I blossomed from a seed. Didn't start smoking weed till the age of 16. Had a dream like Martin Luther that I soon be king. Drift from West until the day that death do us part. Enough love to my fam that was there from the start. Genesis, remember this. Bucktown, remember this. Let's get it on. Remember this one time for your fucking mind. Remember this, boom, bye-bye, and your bossy white head. Remember this, all heads realize. Check it still, it's on the rise. Get ready for the new shit. Yo, Tony Touch, put him up on a new shit. I bet you didn't know that I wasn't alone. So I pull out my chrome and let Capone take me home.
Hey yo, he who whack quick and smack quick. Fuck with the boot camp click and the 9 bliss, we destroy shit. The ultimate crash on smash, shit cat runners are lasting. Clips with lyrics so vicious, I'm licking like licorice and dead shit.
Hey yo, once and for all, to little MCs is locked off. Little knock lyrics to ligaments and going through brick walls, check it. All of these niggas that claiming that they be ripping it. When I see you, give me mine, cause you sound like an idiot.
Started and we gon' finish it. Tony, hold it down, baby.
BTJ, DKS, DKS.
I rip beats that are rougher than time in San Quentin. I take you out your image and break your whole chin. I'm the only nigga you know with time in. Freaking all the hardcore beats and rhyming. All your niggas got mad clothes and freaky shit, but you ain't got no style or freaking wit. I be kicking niggas down like I was Sun G, stretching rappers out like miles of bungee. Everybody know Big Fox can represent. I leave MCs in rough predicaments. I see you be thinking of plans to catch me, but I be infrared in that ass and bust 3. I can give you Harlem blues like Donald Byrd. Have you so scared that you'll forget your words? I can swell your face up like Dizzy Gillespie and give you beat down syndrome and ruin your rep. You can jump bad and scream like Joe Tex. I'll leave you like Gerald Levert with no neck. I can stand alone against 1,000 MCs and bust them all down like 1,000 keys. Have them stuck together like they're Siamese and leave them niggas squinting like they're Chinese. Niggas know my M.O. Me and 5 broad strap rolling in the limo, laughing at your demo. I can get you cut up quick by Tony Touch. When I finish fucking your girl, I smoke a Dutch. Never will I remake a MC rap song. You think I like a lot of you dicks, you're dead wrong. Niggas be grinning and smiling like hoes. Niggas with Italian names and whack flows. Sharp like the freestyle blades, I put it in them. Inject it with that gangster shit, it's deadly venom, baby. And you don't stop, it's Freddie Fox. And you don't stop for Tony Touch. And you don't stop, I keep it hot. And you don't stop.
Keep it going now, and you don't stop. It's Freddie Fox, and you don't stop. For Tony Touch, and you don't stop. We keep it rough, and you don't stop. Peace. Come on.
We can't be Tony Touch. You either build or destruct us. Ain't nothing new about the sons of man. We can't be Tony Touch. You either build or destruct us. Ain't nothing new about the sons of man. We can't be Tony Touch. You either build or destruct us. Ain't nothing new about the sons of man. We can't be Tony Touch. You either build or destruct
Me and
us.
Tony Touch. I grab MCs within my clutch and crush and wipe my hand off while opponents stand off and look sad and worthy. I'm bloodthirsty, no mercy. I kill them while they curse me and dare pole 9 to search me. Don't get me started. I flip retarded and start choking artists. I leave their kids broken hearted and fatherless. I'm too marvelous. Why would you bother this? I squeeze your neck till the saliva drip. So tight, I bite off my bottom lip until your head pop and your soul leave. Whoever told you I was holy, I'm a killer priest.
Eliminate my competition like a shogun, so bad I have you switching colors like Michael Jackson. Represent from Crown Heights to Bed-Stuy. You either do, you either die while you're trying to survive. All these street lyrics are like songs, so Brooklyn maniacs remain calm. So come get some from Park Place to Putting On. We hold shit down like Franklin Ave. You get shot, gagged, and stabbed, buying guns from the Arabs. Makiba, a true bitch beater. Got you hot like a heater when it's pumping out your sweetest. Flipping Americans like Nasarima. From Gracia to Garriga. Behind the sun, the man you see moves psychos.
Psycho, what? Blazing like a rifle.
I see too many wannabes be living comfortably. Southern comfort me. What's the reason why you front to be? Something like it only took you months to be. Personally, I take your mentality to Mercury. Bring you back to earth to see the same old. Check the sons of man lingo. We got 4 minutes to finish. Wax students get suspended. Shoot you down with a sentence as you beg for repentance. Sons of man can't be Tony Touch. Dreddy roll the Dutch. Crush berries in my cups. Bitches dressed to test my lust. With you busting guns and nuts. We move crowds like clouds. Lightning struck whoever saw. Some claim to be a loss, but they force cars. Selling out for cars. Telling lies to the stars. While you front at clubs at bars, I be in tune with Mars. Will you fan United Kingdom? Now expand. Go to war like we Pakistan. Been fighting devils since the sonograms. Now it's programs on my avenues. Satan out's the master you. Live any mask of you.
Yo, in these dark days of Vietnam, death is upon, that's where we bond. Sound the alarm, we surround calm. Bearing arms, sparking Megatron. Rocking charms, true but living Islam. Our supreme wisdom becomes a realistic sitcom on the grounds of Brooklyn. Central Brooklyn filled with Brooklyn. So until then, I make ends meet. War with the beast, in the streets of heat. Moving the street, formation concrete. Medina soldier, mathematical, alphabetical, quarter, intelligent sire. Contain the element of fire, mental igniter. Was sent to school, you're about to liar. As it was written in the books of Obadiah. I shall retire, soaking from fire. Original soul writer, the golden fighter. Swift, clever like the tiger. So on the contrary, you can get bloody like Mary. Head flown like a tooth fairy. Crushed like some berries.
Ain't nothing new about the sons of man. We can't be Tony. Ain't nothing new about the sons of man. We can't be Tony Touch. We can't be Tony Touch. What? Ain't nothing new about the sons of man. We can't be Tony Touch. You either build or destruct. Black Rose family. Ray Rose, Tony Touch. What? True master. Yeah. What? Yeah. Killer Priest. Prodigal son. Hellraiser. 60 sec. What? 7th ambassador. What? Ain't nothing new about the sons of man. We can't be Tony touched. You either build or destruct us.
1, 2, New York City. 5 deadly Venoms. Mister Cee, that nigga Premier, PF, Evil Dee, and of course, my brother Tony Touch. It's that nigga from Gangstar, the 721, 1821. Shine like the sun. Check it out, Don. Yo, the wilderness is filled with this. Plenty of suckers acting fish. Too many rapping niggas that ain't shit. I follow no man, my road is less traveled. my bone marrow has felt the sting of the devil's arrow. But even still, I maintain my righteous will until the truth prevails, cause too much blood is spilled. And for my brothers who've perished, I shall avenge all this worldly wickedness that has brought us to this bitter end. And if you don't know by now, then don't speak. No time to be weak, only for those who seek. The divine will combine and refine each mind who is willing. That's why I commit this rap killing. Too many pick up the mic and don't be building. Those null and voids shall be destroyed. So don't be sticking out your hand. You ain't my fucking boy. I celebrate after each duck I eliminate. This rap game they desecrate, so I'm back to set it straight. Chumps hallucinate while my game regenerates. I'm real like Bobby Seale, so my words penetrate. Word up, you know my words penetrate. 97, the G-A-N-G to the S-D-A-R-R. Peace to all the real DJ niggas. Right.
The last dragon, I enter fist first. You wanna contest the Benny Boom? Your whiz best to be a nurse, so she can sew up these stitches while I get these bitches and run round town chasing these poor rock bitches. Don't get me mad, I react like Bill Bix. Fuck politics, I revenge with brass knuckles and war sticks. A street vet, ready to rumble anytime. Don't try physical shit, expect that I retaliate with a rhyme. I bust, causing more damage than a gun with hand skills that make Master Shaw run. Attack your ass like Vietnamese with my black belt and street fighting at 360 degrees. You don't wanna fuck with this. Arrogant, ignorant niggas get bitten, balled up like Packing. For those niggas that jump me in Ann's crib, y'all don't know me. When I see you, I'ma touch your fucking chins like Tony. Who got the Buddha skills? Who's to run through Hoodaville? Nothing but that black magic. So my voodoo will travel down your spine, loosen up your muscle. Who wanna tussle? Wrestle, whip that ass around like the hustle with a samba. Everybody pause like the comma. Rappers study my style like Charlotte versus the llama with the Buddha in my fist. So why try me? I'm not Dutch, you can't master my Tai Chi. Hakeem the wise, I rise, cause of wisdom. Blood green like my eye, I'm high off the ism. Boogie like Carvel, rappers becoming like Marvel. Or caught up in the fashion, fakers Gordon Guttrell. This sound goes around like a trend, but always in. When metaphors and synonyms, get more pussy than Cleo Sims. Hey, what the fuck you say? We be hanging with Tony, cut it up like OJ.
I be the whore, I singing, brain bringing, now speaking, leave your heart beating like a gun reaching officer. Over singing while I'm high speaking, weed smoke breathing. I'm coming hard like situations blacks being. Never weekend, strong like Samson. Kevin locks it down like security codes got us branded. Too hard bill face got me in the blind shakes, rat race with no space. But I prevail through hell, never derail in fact. I'm murderous on tracks like Colin Ferguson's yak. Blacking out blasting cause it could have been trapping pressure. The y'all got opened up, the government's letter. It said they were suckers trying to fuck us. I strictly roll Dutchess, with builders and destructors, bringing ruckus till they die. Sunrise high like bricks and now why? Tony Touch Channel Live, let me die. If you wanna add on, let's get high. Shine like the top of the pyramids high. Five deadly venoms survive and never die. Illegal broadcasting live, realize, recognize.
If you wanna add on, let's get high. Shine like the top of the pyramids high.
Five deadly venoms survive and never die. Illegal broadcasting live, realize, recognize.
Keep it street, underground street mixing. Five deadly venoms, smoking ism. Mister Cee, Evil Dee, P.F. Cuttin, Tony Touch, Primo, yeah.
This is J. the Damager with the 5 Deadly Venoms. This is the theme song. This is the only theme song. Cause all good heroes need theme music. You can't chump the style of the 5 Deadly Venoms. This shit is hitting from end to beginning. Like in every ghetto, niggas running from cops. Me and my Venoms crew be jumping off rooftops. In New York City, pretty niggas bust Glocks, snatching chains, busting brains like real hard rocks. But they won't be smiling on Rikers Island, saved by my kung fu style when me and my crew was up in the Bronx rumbling. If you see me stumbling, it's only the style of the drunken monk. You can't feel the funk that the Venoms lay out. No pretty cardigans, just skills and iron skin. Can't bend us. You know we are the defenders of the title. Me and the Venoms hit your vital points. You know this is the joint, cause I get hot. You know I love to rock a lot. On the spot with Tony Touch, Premier, P.F. Cuttin. You ain't saying nothing, cause Venoms be cutting it up. You're ducking like what the fuck, Evil Dee and Mister Cee. Illyrical and turntable Tai Chi. You know who we are, the best by far. The 5 deadly venoms plus 1, son. You better run, get your gun, cause you'll need one. In the dungeon, you know we kill it and skill it and skin it. The 5 deadly venoms theme music. Know what I mean? 5 deadly venoms plus 1. J. Rue the Damager, Tony Touch, DJ Premier, Mister Cee, Evil Dee, and PF Cuttin. We chopping them the fuck up, you know what I'm saying? J. Rue the Damager style off the top of the dome. Once again, for all you fake MCs.
A message in the skies, it's signs to get wise. And through my eyes, I can see through these fake ass guys. I turn a thug to a rapper into a thug. Throw that ass in the street, show them no more love. I guess he got so with reality from the one up above. Too deep in the game, can't concentrate. Dropping bombs in the ghetto like the game of Kuwait. Meditating with my niggas and it's just like that. 36 months left to the year 2G's. Hibernating with my niggas, got to save who's in need. Cause we channel through our music and that's all we know. Coming from the ghetto with that ill-type flow. Got to reach the top, got to reach our goals. Separating real brothers from these weak-ass souls. Yo, we channel through our music and that's all we know. Coming from the ghetto with the ill-type flow. Got to reach the top, got to reach our goals. Separating real brothers from these weak-ass souls. East New York style, 5 deadly venoms, baby. Yo, but check this out. Yeah, you keep that. But check this out, right?
Number 4. The style resembles the scorpion pincer.
The Breez on. Premier.
Clap your hands, come on, clap your hands. I know everybody loves their mama. If you love your mama, say it, you know that. Say it's like that. Somebody, come on, anybody, come on, everybody, please scream. If you ready for 82, let me hear y'all say 82, come on. I'm getting money in 82. Say it one time, getting money in 82. Once again, say we on the ride. Now, what's my name? What's my name? Well, I know you and y'all know me, so I welcome y'all to the place to be. Come on, I'm signing off right here on this shitty short shot to enter this contest for this trophy right here. I'm talking about a busy beat here. I go, y'all. I go 1, 2, 3, oh shit. I go ball with the ball, but ding, diggy, 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 shake the boogie to the bang, bang. I go ball with the ball, but ding, diggy, diggy. Come on. Right now, y'all, well, it's time to prepare for the #1 rapper of the year. I'm not Dr. J or Reggie Jackson. Mister B is my name. I got all the action. Now y'all heard the rest, and you ready to go with the Madison MC stereo. I just kick off your shoes and relax your socks, cause Mister B's here and I'm ready to rock. And before I go, and before I quit, as the sing and dance a little something like this with the old hip hop bouncy rock the rock. Stay with me, I'm gonna turn it. Hurry up, say ho! Come on, ho, ho! Somebody scream! Come on, scream! Now where's that place we work it out? Come on, yo, where's that place we work it out?
Kool Mo-D. 1, 2, 1, 2, party people in the place to be. My name is MC Kool Mo-D from the Treacherous 3. My man L.A. Sunshine in the place to be. We gonna get a little something straight here in the place to be. Don't worry about it, DJ Lee, on the place to be. We gonna get a little something straight in the place to be. 1, 2, my man Busy B Starsky. How many people think Busy B Starsky rocked the house? I hear that in the place to be. Yeah. But if y'all notice it or not, you know, I heard a lot of shit, you know, Busy B's popping shit, saying he'll take out any MC and all that. I give it to the man, he know how to rock the crowd, but when it come to having rhymes, no way he can fuck around, and I'm gonna prove that right now. In the place to be, MC Kool Mo-D, the coolest of the cool, can't nobody rock like me. Remember this. Cold Crush 4 in the house. My man L.A. Sunshine in the place to be. We gonna have a little fun. Have a little fun. DJ Lee, you think you got it together yet? 1, 2. 1 for the treble. 2 for the bass. Come on, DJ Lee, and let's rock the play. 1, 2, 1, 2. Doing the do now. Hold on, Busy Bee. I don't mean to be bold, but put that all did it all bullshit on hold. We gonna get right down to the nitty gritty. Gonna tell you a little something why you ain't shit. It ain't an empty dot that you don't hug. You even bitch your name from the love bug. And not a fight a nigga's name is some low down shit. If you was money, man, you be counterfeit. I gotta give it to you though you can rock, but everybody know you're on the furious jock. And I remember Busy from the olden times when my man Tony G used to sell your rhymes. Remember that rhyme called Diddy Bar Diddy? Man, goddamn, that shit was a pity. Too hot to trot, hit to rock a spot. Spoonie G rock it whether you like it or not. He paid for the rhyme, asked for it twice. He said, Spoonie G, I'll buy it any price. When Spoonie finally sold it, oh, what a relief. Busy Bee stole it like a fucking thief. Came out rocking, the party's gone. Got everybody thinking that time's yours. Every time I hear it, I throw a fit. Party after party, the same old shit. Record after record, rhyme after rhyme. Always wanna know your zodiac sign. He changed the shit to the favorite jeans. Come on, Busy Bee, tell me what that means. Hold on, brother, man, don't you say nothing. I'm not finished yet, I gotta tell you something. Too hot to trot, I'm hit to rock the spot. I'm gonna rock your ass whether you like it or not. He made it up, take a title right on the spot. How can I take a title you ain't got? You're not number one, you're not even the best. And you can't win no real MC contest. Celebrity clubs and bullshit like those. Those are kind of stuff that everybody knows. Celebrity clubs, those are kind you can win. It's all set up before we come in. But in a battle like this, you know you lose. Between me and you, who do you think they'll choose? Well, if you think it's you, I got bad news. Because to hear your name, you're gonna hear some moves. Cause you're faking the funk, cause you're faking the funk. And at the end of this rhyme, you can call me Uncle. Modi rock, shock the house. Call me Uncle, rock the house. Y'all, like this, y'all, like this, y'all. Yeah, like this, it's like this, y'all. Now you all playing girl laying on the mic of rhyme saying MC who rock viciously, satisfaction guaranteed. Or you get your money back, believe me girl, it's not the whack. Treacherous 3 as you can see. Special case sunshine and I'm Kool Modi signing off y'all. Signing off y'all. From the south to the west, to the east, to the north. Busy Bee, my man, you know I went off to chill out. Chill out, chill on out, chill out, chill out, chill on out. Busy Bee! Busy Bee, Busy Bee, Busy Bee, Starsky, I'm Kool Modi, the best MC, and that's my trophy. Chill out, chill out, chill on out, chill out, chill out, chill on out. And I just want all of y'all to know, that's why I'm on his dick. That's why I'm on Modi's dick.
Wanna know the real deal about the two. Let us tell you, we're double trouble girls, and we're doing it just for you. Now people, clap your hands, clap, just clap your hands. Come on, while you're rocking to the beat of the two, and we got the master plan. So clap your hands, young ladies, young veterans, and fly guys if you wanna get down with us. Get up on the floor, get up, and everybody just show your stuff. Now if you don't know the real deal about the two, let us tell you, we're double trouble girls. Doing it just for you. So come on, take it right. Well, don't pause it, don't you dare stop. My melodist, get on your mic, turn on your mic, get on your mic and start the hip hop. And I hear you about to see, I know a rock bell got a lot of money, I got a lot of clientele, but it won't be happy most definitely till you listen to the voice of my mother about to see. And I hear KK say I'm glad to be down with the two MCs with the funk and sound. But a party's not a party, beat is not a beat until you listen to the brothers that sound so sweet. And I hear you about to see, don't have to read if they don't believe you. I can hear it to believe. The party is the joint, let me tell you again. You listen to the sound, I have no end. And I hear rock where you know it down below. We got rhymes galore, we got rhymes galore. But we only came here to settle the score. So let's give everybody what they all pay for. What they all pay for, what they all pay for. Oh yeah, say 1, 2, 3, 4. Double trouble, what you waiting for? Here's a little something that we must recommend to all the party people and to all our friends. When we give a party, it's just not fit for a start our show if you're not there. So listen to us, everybody just listen to us,
So it's the Cold Crush, you know it's us that you can trust. We are my be double plus and plus with you. Hide, you know it's us. It's our shades. Over the barbecue days. You know it's us. It's only told. He's gonna take a fly girl home. Hey girl, you know it's us. It's CG4. Oh, with a rock galore. Hey girls, you know it's us. CGMC. Hey girls, you know it's me. DJL. And I rock it at the hotel. EZAD. Shoot the funky beat. AKG. Baby doll, I'm the so. We want every. We want every. We want every. We want every. We want everybody to get up and move your butt. Because the boys on the microphone and Charlie chases on the cut. So don't try to play high post and think you got a lot of class. Girls, it's KG, the L, and me, Grandmaster Cat. God, the most pizzazz, I'm ranked #1 in my social class. And when the rapper on the mic gets the girls hot. Young ladies, is he the sure shot? Fly guys, is he the sure shot? The L, the one who rocks well. Taking all the fly girls to the motel. I wanna rock the side, wanna rock top to top. Young ladies, is he the sure shot? Fly guys, is he the sure shot? I'm Easy A, coming all the way. Keeping up the fucking pace to the break of day. And when I rock the rolling, I rock the top rolling. You rock, I can't be stopped. I rock the top rolling, I mean, yo, rock. Young ladies, is he the sure shot? Fly guys, is he the sure shot? Almighty with the capability. Guarantee the conversation, throw you just and green me go and red me stop. Young ladies, is he the sure shot? Fly guys, is he the sure shot? Sure shot. Don't you know the cheaper hawks is hawking. The stick-up kids are stalking. With the price of transportation, it's cheaper to be walking. Girls are just dick teasing for no apparent reason. If fellas was too fresh, they be in jail all season. And the party attack, then jumping. That funky bass is thumping. The way the cold cuts rocks your mind, you got it feeling something.
Commentating, illustrating, description giving, adjective expert, analyzing, summarizing musical myth, seeking people of the universe. This is yours. It's yours. Do you like it? Yeah. Do you want it? Yeah. Well, if you had it, would you flaunt it? Yeah. Well, it's yours. Taking a record that's already made with the help of the mix board used in the crossfade. Rhythm can be kept to a self-choice pace, depending on moment or depth of bass. I don't really know, but somebody said some musical rhythm can mess with your head. I don't know if it's true. I leave it up to you. It's yours. I need a beat. You're motivated, baby, aid of percussion. There's no category for this story. It rock any territory. I syncopate it and design it well. Beat elevates, the scratch excels. All techniques are a combination of skills that I have for narration. Jump track patterns are reset. Sometimes they're hat-based
That scratching is making me itch.
First buffalo gal go around the outside, round the outside, round the outside. Two buffalo gals go around the outside, round the outside, round the outside. Three buffalo gals go around the outside. Four buffalo gals go around the outside, round the outside, round the outside. Four buffalo gals go around the outside and do your partners.
I used to be in love with this guy named Sam. I don't know why, cause he had the head like that of a clam. But you couldn't tell me nothing, cause Sam was number one. Cause to me, oh my gosh, he was one in a million. I should've knew the consequences right from the start. That he'd use me for my money and then break my heart. But like a fool in love, I fell for his game. But I got mine, so I show no shame. And Empire winked his eye, and then he kept walking. All of those who live in Brooklyn know just what I'm talking. The roller disco, where we all used to go, just to have some fun back in 1981. You know the place, Empire Boulevard is where I first saw the nigga, and he tried to play hard, but I knew the deal cause I knew his brother Derry, and Sammy just broke up with his girlfriend Terry. So Terry introduced Sam and I that night. He said, hello, my name is Sam. I said, hi, my name is Mike. We yipped and we yapped and we chit and we chat about this and that, from sneakers to hats. He said, look, I'm in the mood for love, simply because you're near me. Let's go to my house, lay back and get nice, watch television, Arianiti on ice. I said, slow down, I know you wanna shake me down, but I'm not one of the girls that go ripping around. Just like that, just like that, just like that, I ran the understand.
Oh yeah, 1, 2 in the place to be. On the MIC is me, sir, I pour the DFC, and I get busy. In front of me, on the 1 and 2, you have the jazz and the fuck provider just doing the do. Also in the house, you have Melcorn and Jazzy G. And this is Holy War, and I get busy like this. Let's walk this dog, Jazzy. Supreme wisdom is what I give them, just to kill. It's how I'm living. I'm Sir I, the God on the microphone. Let me show you why the stage is my throne. Intelligent individual with intellect. Watch me pick up the microphone and rap you and your homeboys too. Your gang posse group or the whole damn crew. I'll do it casual, I'll come classical. Let's be rational, it's all actual. The laws of nature allows me to do this. So do the knowledge and watch me just prove this. To make a record is what I am making. Guinness Book of Records is what I am breaking. My energy is flowing and it's causing false suspicions. I am called a scientist and you are science fiction. So just listen to the light that I'm shining. The wisdom that I'm speaking are the words that are rhyming. The bars of rhyme, divine force gets busy. Make you hit by hop or get dizzy. Make you snap your fingers or wiggle. Scream, shout or laugh or just giggle. That party, that body. Don't host with me, you feel sorry. That's word, I'm not the herd. Understand what I'm saying? Observe, the power is strength, divine force is pushing. Off the faces, divine force is mushing. There now, you see, that's why I'm Sir I Supreme. I see the geyser, you can't die. Holy war, you know what I'm saying?
Once again, ladies and gentlemen.
The fifth pupil Centipede style.
Word up, you know what I'm saying? As we continue on, Evil Dee in the area, 5 Deadly Venoms, Evil Dee is on the mix. Come on, kick it.
All my massive and cool, if you wanna feel you, we are go round the lane and having you. It's true, I want my fans all bout to get wild like a zoo. We live and direct in your
Evil Dee's on the mix,
coming with the poison pill, the scavenger. Anything we test get killed. I've been waiting for a while to expose my style so massively and your best behavior. Thank you, Savior, you give me the chance to be an entertainer. Big ups to all the producers and promoters. I hate intelligent hustlers reaching the quota. You give me 2 yards, I'm gonna take an acre. Me get me title as a my controller. Spend years underground without exposure. Developing a style I can call my own. Well, know me I'm my veteran, but there is one thing me just can't understand. How so much man left on the DJ minivan. I know every man will have a microphone in a man. DJ business and not be every man. Them a wagonist, them fi sit down and jam. Looking from the outside, stand wide, but find another occupation. Hear this. So all a massive and rude is you wanna feel you. We a go round the lane and having you. It's true, I want a fans all bout we get wild like a zoo. We live and direct in your venue.
Word up, stay tough to my peeps, what's up? About to own it in the moment. Diamond in the rough, laying cut after cut. Dope stuff, got you illin' like the smoke choke with dope but love, both feeling. Nothing but the realness, killing. Keeping loyal customers with the good business. Pumping all night and day, scamming just IH. We keep it tight like virgin dikes. Any mood or flavor, got what you like. Team different through the song, change like drag queens. Struggle now, we give thanks, cause we on the scene. Going all out, no backing out. That's my soldiers, no doubt, attracting crowds. Beef with yapping mouths, slap them out, drape them up, give them knowledge. Don't step in the cypher if you ain't chillin'. Handling yours like the Bush and Brown villains.
What? Massive and rude is you wanna feel you. We are go round the lane and having you. It's true, my fans all bout to get wild like a zoo. Live and direct in your venue.
Word up, you know what I'm saying? Evil Dee in your area, 5 Deadly Venoms, you know what I'm saying? Word up. As we continue on,
cause ain't no things coming in between me and my dreams. See what I mean, black.
Microphone thugs, flip keys and shit. Remember the 80s when niggas was acting crazy? The mean streets raised me. I used to live dangerously. A miss, crack selling armed and dangerous felons. Plus, murderers, drug spot burglars, niggas doing anything to acquire that paper. Live the life of crime, but got saved by the rhyme. Peace to all my niggas, doing time on top of time. Plus the ones gunned down in their prime. I made it this far because of divine design. Diamond, flooded chains, the sun still outshine. I get you drunk off my drink like that champagne wine. As long as there's breath left, I'll father the fatherless. If shit was real Brooklyn, I'll snatch that chain off your chest. Don't fess, we know why you rock that vest. Hard on records, but really pussy check it. I do this for me, and not the paper, strictly 100%.
Cause ain't no things coming in between me and my dreams. See what I mean, black? I guess the paper.
It started way before super rhymes. Peace to Mom Dukes for enduring hard times. God bless all the victims of my past life crimes. I do this for the ghetto youth, living like good times. Flipping rhymes saved me from the obvious trap. In 97 studio, hustlers push crack on wax and breaking backs, but faking jacks. If it wasn't for contracts, they wouldn't bust caps. So destroy your people and collect huge stacks. Fat axe and platinum plaques. Come bring it back. Rewind it, that old gangster bullshit. Got the youth running round criminal minded. Not a player hater, just don't chase the paper. Got a little deal so some heads caught the vapors. So stupid motherfuckers, throw your guns in the air to all my niggas who ain't make it past their 19th year. I do it for me and not the paper, strictly 100%.
Cause ain't no beans
Know what I
coming
mean?
in between me and my dreams, see what I mean?
Hey yo, what up, sport? Guess who's back on the scene? Evil Dee's in the motherfucking house. Hey yo, what up, sport? Guess who's back on the scene? Evil Dee's in the motherfucking house. Hey yo, what up, sport? Guess who's back on the scene? Your human being cannon with the infrared beam. Before the song move on, I'm letting you know I'm still in the field and I'm still letting it go. So yo, cruise with your official rap dude. Got the Genevieve saying, who the fuck is that dude? The family is M.O.P, the world's famous D.A.N.C.E. You see me suing the Swift. Never the game, cause game is partially gift but partially lame. Bring it back, hardcore raps to the atmosphere. Me and my man making hits with Premier. You faggots ain't doing it right, so here's the room from the fire and squad. Which like a nigga strike, I'm fixing the breeze, but please believe when you come right. My niggas are tight, downtown swinger. I'm international, bell ringing, international, downtown swinging. I'm international, bell ringing, international, downtown.
To attack without knowing the enemy's strength is foolish. After being warned, to still attack is stupid. People who are that stupid just don't deserve to live. But strangely though, one does find people who are that stupid.
97 Primo D, y'all. That's right. I want to speak a little truth about what guns is really about. Cause me being a victim of guns, it was an experience of getting closer to God.
Evil Dee is on the mix. Come on,
Since the day I was young, I had premonitions of an ending to come behind the brow of the next man's gun. It used to be fun when I'm the one doing the clapping. Now I'm facing my death, do it fast breath, no laughing. How can this happen? Holding my chest on the floor, laid up or sprayed up, dreaming to even the score. Bright lights all I saw, my life flashed before me. From a distance I heard a faint voice steady call me. I guess my time is here, suppress my fear, I'm ready. Trying to breathe steady, feeling my legs getting heavy. Lord, don't let me die this young without leaving the sun. The carriage traditionless of my life has just become a nightmare flick. Visions of swinging the pool stick, depicted by near death. I turn left and pull quick, lost control of my mind. Flipped the safety off the 9 and squeezed, chased him down, discharging rounds, then fell on my knees. Reach for my heart, feeling my chest getting hot. I got caught, vivid memories on how my gun dropped. Bullets ain't stop, lost all thoughts of me rapping, trying to catch one before I die for self-satisfaction. Get up off my knees, beg the Lord please, picked up the squeeze, dip behind cars, bullet shells hitting the trees. Curse my enemies for being smart enough to take cover, feeling my body shudder as I drop right in front of the boot place. As hot shells hit the cheek of my face, catch a bloody taste, watch my blood leave trace. Hennessy got me tripping, bust the brew I was sipping, feeling warm blood dripping. I seen them load a second clip in, retreated, I've been defeated. My life is ice like popsicles, open the door, hit the floor of the hospital. It's on,
Getting closer to God in a tight situation. Let me be your angel and I'll be your protection. I stop breathing, damn, I see demons. Getting closer to God.
Evil Dee is on the mix. Come on, pick it.
Yo, divide and conquer, that's what they got ya. My tight team shine like vehicle high beams. You heard of the plan to conquer the soul. United we stand, divided we fall. Divide and conquer, that's how they got ya. My tight team shine like vehicle high beams. Corruption of man is not surprising at all. United we stand, divided we fall. Hey yo, I puff on the lie, race out to the sky, then look into this world with the squint of one eye. See it clearly, the problem is obvious. They thinking they robbing us by singing in God we trust, but never that black. I come to attack and drop facts, cause y'all don't wanna go there with that. I'm unspeakable, a well-rounded individual, deep-minded with the stunning physical. Think with the right brain, so my physical is lefty. Leave the right side of your face messy, that's when the Hennessy represent me. Nothing's ever done gently, with intellect that's intelligently. I hate the frail like I hate cops, like jump out that uniform and see me outside right on the block, so I can teach you all that I can. Show you I got you stuck from the oldest tactic known to man. divide and conquer. That's how they got ya. My tight team shine like vehicle high beams. You heard of the plan to conquer us all. United we stand. Divided we up.
Big guy skill, that's how we doing this. From Rock Queens once again.
Come on, kick it.
Goes out to all my true thugs surviving through stress. 24/7, get money from the east to the west. Watch the contracts and all the fake snake smiles, and focus on your music so your money bounce. This goes out to all my true thugs surviving through stress. 24/7, get money from the east to the west. Watch the contracts and all the fake snake smiles, and focus on your music so your money bounce. Now when I roll track streets, I think about props and mills, so blocks the kills. Perpetrators that fuck with our skills. Cause on the East Coast times was hectic, but I got love for brothers on the West that's respected. This goes out nationwide, we can't forget the honeys. It's not an East-West thing, it's all about making this money. Cause it's the kerosene, that means a lot to me, so I can have longevity in this polluted industry. That's why brothers, they gotta know the real, or that the headaches don't stop once you got a deal. You gotta watch it when you roll through towns, holes to bring you down. That's just the pressure that comes cause you're exposed now. I do my thing, watch the ox skills progress. Some coast to coast flavor from the east to the west. Goes out to all my true thugs surviving through stress. 24/7 get money from the east to the west. Watch the contracts and all the fake snake smiles, and focus on your music so your money.
As we continue on, DJ Evil Dee's 5 Deadly Venoms, you know what I'm saying? The next King is on the mix. Come on, kick it.
One bad black kid who never had jack shit. I always got my ass kicked for it in the mattress. Time at a time, war, drugs, and crime. Grab niggas on prime time, get lazy, boy, recline. And quarters and bags, get play like spades. Rat tat tat, do his braids, bring the pain, close range. Got rap, son, get down like Doc from Young Guns. Represent real blood with my magnum tongue. Stay dip, abandon ship. I say I ship. 4/5 grip up a grip, enough coke to split. Tommy Hill, ice grill. The staring down the Karen, racketeering, not Evan, play him out like Sam's Aaron. I'm in the top 10 of the wanted men. Wanted, dead or alive, you got to kill me then. 41,000 feet, you plunge to your death. 90 million miles, dark side, get wrecked.
Like butter toast cookies, I venture savage like a rookie. I got them shades, 5-to-1 odds without a bookie. Now you tried to raise them stakes. I roll a skate with blind dates. Why they feed me fucking grapes? Lyrical madness, ill like Lenny Kravitz. Y'all niggas know my status, hit your chest like a fucking chalice. My mind is mixed up, corrupt, now what the fuck? Competition step up, impressed I'm loving get stuck by this man. Them Uncle Sam guerrilla warfare. You say I don't care, cause the way I'm fighting motherfucking fear. I carries a knife, but plus I'm living trite. I leave you 50 bucks, bet that on my own life.
Under pressure, no need to act still. Always calm under pressure. Always calm under pressure, no need to act still. Always calm under pressure. Always calm under pressure, no need to act still. No need to act still. Always calm under pressure, no need to act still.
Where's your senses when you fucking with the cameras? Wrong decisions you made got you jumping over fences. It ain't no consequence. Who you trying to convince? Your result trying to insult my intelligence. Think of something with me. You know that I'll never be. But you know where my flow lives. It's walking is cheap from that Dominican princess. Smuggling immigrants. Using my innocence to escape with embezzlements. Leaving no evidence on all like a spoiler kid. Lyricists, terrorists raining up on your premises. Now wait a minute, dig it. Downtown is the digit. I hold the biscuit. This spread the butter to this mixture. My script is very wordplay, vision of an X-ray. Copycats is spotted and get chapped like a sensei. Smoking nerves with the Indians by the totem pole. I was told to go out and blast off for my treasure trove.